Hey there guys, Titan Codes here. So in this video I just wanted to share quickly a tidbit on some cool print function tricks that I learned today because, well, uh, you know, you learn something new every single day, don't you, while you're coding. So if you didn't know, basically the print statement has more than one argument, which you can see here. So you see values, object, file, separate, end, and flush. And I learned about the separate and end today. So let's see that. Alright, so let's say you take in the user input for the username, right? So let's take it as username and let's take it as input. Please type in your username. Okay, and then let's say we are so we know the username, right? Now this is gonna be in the form of a string, so what we'll do is we'll print hello there. Alright, and then we'll go here, comma, and then we can do the separate function. So what we do is username, comma, separate is equal to at, okay, and end equal to gmail.com. So I think this should work. I see, there's a mistake. Okay, so what we instead do is do that, okay, so wait, separate, hello gmail.com. okay, wait, actually let's remove the end and then, okay, hold on, okay, gmail.com. now I believe this will work. Yeah, there you go. Yeah, so if you are able to observe, right, and we print it out and then let's type in a username, so Shivaram, it goes shivaram@gmail.com. so yeah, I thought that was pretty cool. You could have a dot separator over there, but I thought this is a pretty cool thing which I learned in Python. So anyways, that's pretty much it. So yeah, see you.